Well, thank you. Yes. What's wrong at this house? Well, I saw something. He was black. And he got his gun, you know? You met him? Oh, yes! It's in him! It's him! This bro looks serious. I gotta get my case. Yeah. That's it? Yes, it is. But first, we're gonna begin. So how did he get here? He got here by suicide? Yes. Well, that in case it's emergency, he's trying to tell you something. Hold on. Almost there. Okay. Let's begin. Let's begin. I felt a present in this room. What's it saying? He said, Priceline negotiator. What? How do you know? Because he told me about Priceline, the best travel in the world. Oh, maybe later. Does that mean I'm going on vacation? Yes. I'll be right back. What a weirdo. What you say? I'll kill you. Priceline negotiator.